Racing just is started. We have Esquisse, first to show quickness at a start, rushing up on the outside is my Lady Hannah. My Sweet Swanee comes next. Reporter, while by Filipino is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have my Lady Hannah running by. There is Esquisse, and on the outside third comes my Sweet Swanee. Reporter is watching in port, while by Filipino is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Esquisse, my Lady Hannah is on the outside. My Sweet Swanee is racing in third. Reporter remains in port, while by Filipino still racing in last. At the far turn, we have Esquisse maintaining a 2 lengths lead, and in second is my Lady Hannah. My Sweet Swanee on the outside. Reporter still in port, but now getting closer, while by Filipino still racing in last as they swing for home. We have Esquisse, this time by about 4 lengths. Reporter in second with about 150 meters more to run. Esquisse now by about 8 lengths over Reporter in second, and finally Esquisse. Reporter, then comes my Sweet Swanee, my Lady Hannah, and by Filipino.
Fantastic ang ipinakita ni Esquisse ngayon.
Layo.
Super layo.